Jamaican rum, man.
Dr. Bird.
Dr. Bird.
Dr. Bird in the house.
Dr. Bird, the blood clot.
God.
Alright. So what now?
Now what?
After we add it up, we are share it good, 100 proof.
Yeah.
You get most of it, because I'm not play with this. So, cheers to the breezes that blows the treeses, that lift girls' skirt above their knees. So guys like me can seize the things that pleases. And I hope to God, when I get it, I get no diseases. The blood.
You hope to God. Here's to Dr. Bird.
Dr. Bird. Why Dr. Bird tastes like a blood clot fluid? You will. Aye.